Hi guys, now I'm here to explain a problem which deals with integrals. To find volume of sphere using triple integral. Okay, we know the sphere volume of sphere formula. The formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? We are going to derive that equation. Okay, to find that we are going to use a equation which is x square plus y square plus z square, which is equal to a square. Solution: volume of sphere is z squared is equal to a squared minus x squared minus y squared, and z is equal to root of a squared minus x squared. Z varies from z is equal to 0 to z is equal to root of a squared minus x squared minus y squared. Okay, in that equation put z, in first equation put z is equal to 0. It will become y squared is equal to a squared minus x squared, and y is equal to root of a squared minus x squared, and y varies from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to root of a squared minus x squared. Put z is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Also y is equal to 0 in equation 1. What it gets? X squared is equal to a squared and x is equal to a. And x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Now we are going to find a volume of sphere. V is equal to 8 into triple integral over dz, dy and dx. And V is equal to first integral, which is x, and second integral y, and third integral, which is z. Okay, first integral 0 to a x, okay, and second integral 0 to root of a square minus x square, which is, we know that already I said that, which is a y. Okay, and third integral, which is ez. Okay, so that we are going to put first we are going to derive dz. Okay, that's what we are going to do it. Dz, dy and dx. B is equal to 8 into 8 integral 0 to a 0 to root of a squared minus x squared, and z is equal to, z varies from 0 to root of a squared minus x squared. Dx dy, see dy dx. B is equal to 8 into integral over 0 to a integral over 0 to root of a square minus x square, and we are equating root of a square minus x square minus y square. 0, it became 0, so it will be neglected. Dy dx. Now I'm going to tell one formula. Okay, for next integral. Okay, that's the formula is integral over root of a square minus x square dx, which is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. If, this equation, we are going to substitute this formula in above equation, and it becomes v is equal to 8 into integral over 0 to a and y, a square minus x square, right? That in that a square is a square minus x square, which is a, and y square, which is x square. We are going to do it likewise. Okay, y by 2, which is x by 2 root of a square minus x square, which is a square minus x square minus of y square, plus a square by 2, right? A square minus x square by 2 sine inverse of y by root of a square minus x square integral over 0 to root of a square minus x square dx. Okay, we are taking the two common outside, and it cut it out and became a 4, right? Integral over 0 to a square minus x square sine inverse of, the first will become 0, right? We are applying a 0, it will become a 0, right? A square minus x square sine inverse of root of a square minus x square by root of a square minus x square sine inverse of 0 by a square minus x square dx. 4 integral over 0 to a square minus x square sine inverse of 1 minus sine inverse of 0 dx. 4 integral over 0 to a square minus x square, which is pi by 2 dx. Taking that pi by 2 to the outside, it became a 2 pi, right? 2 cancelled and it became 2 pi, right? 0 to a square minus x square dx. Okay, we are substituting that also, that integral also, it becomes 2 pi into a square minus x by x cube by 3 is 0 to a, which is equal to 2 pi into a cube minus a cube by 3, right? 2 pi into 2a cube by 3, which is 4 pi a cube. In that a cube we substitute r cube, it became 4 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Volume of sphere is 4 pi a cube by 3, 4 by 3 pi a cube also we can say it. Thank you guys, thank you for listening.